Hello and welcome back to Bexley Neighborhood Watch blog. In this video I'm going to show you how to navigate to a safer neighborhood team for your ward. So on the blog, the tab is Bexley SNT list. If you click on that, it takes you to that page. Then you click on view larger map to take you to the Google map, and in the map the wards are listed. Use the magnifying glass there, type in your ward, for example East Wickham. As you're typing, the pin comes up for two listed, but we'll go to this one, and you've got the contact details for that neighborhood watch. Again, similarly, just go back and search for another ward, St. Mary's for example, and the pin comes up. Click on that, it navigates you to the ward, and you can see the officers listed there. I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.